65 Ford 427. I think it's a 427. Colbra. Maybe it's not 427. No. Small block. Colbra. 50. Yeah. So I think this is like a repop. You know, like obviously not original, but it's an expensive car. You know.
See, when we used to go to my, when people from Colbra go to a football game,
Shelby.
You ever see them on TV?
Could be wrong, maybe I'm not read about that. I know they made them later on. But I don't know. It says antique on it, so it's probably a different engine, but you know. It don't look like the original engine. That's what it says, antique on it. So it's I guess it's a real one. It's a real one, man. I was looking in here. I was saying it looked kind of real right here, you know. Not familiar with it. Sorry, I'm not familiar with this thing. It's like, you know, back in my day when you're cruising around. You never see this, ever, not in a million years. So, it's got the Colbra snake on there, ready to strike.